with one that actually doesn't cost you any money, but you know, right now it's walk and talk. We're getting more closer and closer to being able to do this again and a little bit more easily. You know, it's kind of hard to walk and talk when you're wearing it.
We can't say that you can bump into people like we used to. You know, we used to say, hey, you just go around and you talk to whoever you bump into. So now you sort of yell at them from the other side of the sidewalk. Hey, you looking to buy a house? You know, well, maybe not, but you get the point. You can't bump into them, but you can certainly still see them in a properly socially separated line. In fact, I would hesitate. No, I wouldn't hesitate. I would just purely say that there is more chance now, because it used to be the lineup moved pretty quickly because it moved as fast as the people could serve you. Now the lineup moves as quickly as the last guy leaves the store. As a result, in that socially separated line, you've got a person on that side and a person on that side, and you are probably going to be with them for a while. Yeah. So I think walk and talk probably is easier to do now because you're standing there bored anyways. So anyways.
Yeah, you know, exactly. And people do want to talk. The social separation that we have is getting people outside and in lines and engaging a lot better. So you do need to know what to say without looking like you're standing in line trying to sell somebody. So that's really, really important.
And the real key is you do need a data collection directly into your CRM. So as you talk to somebody and you spice up a bit of a conversation, and even if there's not interest, you want to be immediately working on collecting their contact details to get them into a forever follow-up situation. So simple data collection, multi-channel pre-written mixture of automated touch points. You need this to effectively do walk and talk, because your gold in walk and talk is what currently real estate agents mostly just sort of sweep under the rug. Your gold is all the people who are not looking to buy or sell a house today. Your gold is keeping those people on the line until they are ready, making them understand that you are the ultimate professional, so they bring you all their friends who are ready. But yeah, the fact that most people, it's like as soon as you don't know, as soon as the person you're talking to isn't looking to buy or sell their home today, it's like you ghost them. It's the wrong way. With a proper CRM and a simple system to onboard people, you don't need to do that. You can let the system do all the work without any more effort than it takes you to ghost them, actually.
Yep. And so, I mean, and you can create all this for free. You've got the time. You can do that, or you can go and outsource it. And so, you know, your walk and talk, it can be a free lead generation because it's your time, or outsource and build it all. And we've looked at it. You need at least 36 touch points to go and outsource the copy, to go and create all that. You'd be spending around $2,700 if you outsourced it in, say, the Philippines, not North America.
In North America, you're looking at probably close to 3 times that. You're looking at somewhere around $300 per email or touch point in North America. Unless they're long copy, then they get as much as $1,500. So all of this is stuff that you're often better off to try to do yourself a little bit at a time, and we'll get into a bit of that. But outsourcing it is definitely an option. Doing it yourself is definitely an option. It all just comes down to time versus money, the equation in your head. The point is, having this stuff, even though we're saying walk and talk, is critical to success in paid advertising. Because really, paid advertising is just like a really, really cold walk and talk. You're going to get a cold lead. Buying or not buying, we don't know. But if we're not giving that person value, they're not going to stay with us. So we need to have that follow-up that engages them and keeps them on board until such a time as they trust us enough to engage, or they actually do just straight out engage and say, I'm ready to buy or sell.